Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anu and I'm back again with another new tutorial vlog. So friends, as you can see the title, how to change YouTube channel's name. I'm going to show you in this video steps to change YouTube channel's name very easily. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So keep watching friends. So friends, at first you have to open your YouTube app in your Android phone and then you go to my channel. So friends, once you open my channel, you can see this page and now you have to click on the settings icon just beside the YouTube channel's name. And we get this page and now you can see the name of the channel is Indian Vlogger Anuradha. Now I'm going to change it to Good Vibes with Anu. So in place of first name I will write Good Vibes and in place of last name I will write with Anu. Next we have to click OK. So as you can see, YouTube has changed my username from Indian Vlogger Anuradha to Good Vibes with Anu. We can also change the privacy options given below. So from now onwards, all the subscribers will be able to see my channel name not as Indian Vlogger Anuradha but as Good Vibes with Anu. So with few easy simple steps, I could change my YouTube channel's name. And if you are also thinking of changing your channel's name, then please do follow these simple steps. Thanks for watching friends. Enjoy, and if you want to see any other tutorial, do let me know.